Schedule Setup Guide for koralLED. Quick Schedule Setup. Quick Schedule Setup allows you to complete the scheduling for koralLED in just 50 seconds. First, tap on the koralLED device from the homepage to enter the koralLED main page. Before using the koralLED device, ensure it is successfully connected. If it is not yet connected, tap the Bluetooth icon in the top right corner. When it turns green, the connection is successful. If no schedule has been set, tap the next icon on the left of the schedule to enter the Quick Schedule Setup interface. Here, you can adjust the initial intensity. Set the sunrise and sunset times. The soft start interval. And the moonlight intensity. Once completed, tap Save to finish the quick setup. Additionally, you can tap on individual time points to adjust the spectrum, or tap the plus icon next to a time point to add new ones, making the schedule more precise. Schedule Edit. Edit tool. The Control AP provides an intuitive schedule editing interface, allowing users to add or delete time points and make detailed adjustments to the spectrum at each point. Let's take a look at the main features of the schedule editing interface. A. Visual Schedule Chart displays the scheduling changes of the LED lights. B. Time Indicator Line shows the current time position of the LED lights. Schedule Editing Tools, used for editing schedules, includes the following functions. Plus icon, add a new time point. Minus icon, delete a time point. Backward icon, move the timeline backward. Forward icon, move the timeline forward. Eye icon, activate a 1-minute quick preview, simulating the 24-hour schedule in 1 minute. D time point area, tap the next icon to enter the spectrum adjustment screen. E green plus icon, tap to directly add a new time point and enter spectrum editing. F reset icon, clears all scheduling content, allowing users to use Quick Schedule Setup to reset the schedule. Schedule Edit. Add time points. Method 1. There are 2 ways to add time points, using the schedule editing tools or directly adding a time point. First, use the schedule editing tools to add a time point. Drag the schedule line to the desired time position. Then, tap the plus icon in the editing tools below the schedule chart to add a new time point. After adding, you can immediately fine-tune the spectrum settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Schedule Edit. Add time point method 2. Another way to add a time point is by tapping the plus icon next to an existing time point. You can enter a specific time and adjust the spectrum settings. Once completed, the new time point is successfully added. Schedule Edit. Delete time point. If you are not satisfied with a specific time point, you can use the editing tools below the schedule chart to make adjustments. Tap the forward icon or backward icon to navigate to the time point you want to delete. Then, tap the minus icon to complete the deletion. Schedule Edit. Reset. If you are not satisfied with the current schedule, you can tap the Reset button in the top right corner to reset it, and then repeat the schedule setup process.